Manual Album Creation Part 1. Manual album offers a high level of creativity freedom. You have liberty to choose what you want to include on the albums. Setting the software tools the way you want is a good idea. Preferences option leads you to Preferences window, and we have seen this window in detail in Preferences and Help video. Let's see some other options to clear the concept. Select the desired layout for the tab in Design Album window. These layouts are nothing but your work area designs. Various aligning and designing tools can be shown or hidden. Now restart the software to apply the preferences. Album Express offers the freedom of defining the album sizes here. It is as easy as defining width, height, margins, and desired page count. You can always add or reduce the pages later on. In the same way, you can add cover and jacket. You can turn them on and off. It's completely optional. Just like pages, define the details for cover and jacket and also set the spine. Choose the manual style to enjoy designing freedom. Blank canvas appears and you can start designing using various tabs in the window. With the view option, you can view or hide the tabs as per your designing requirement. Photos are the heart of the album, so let's start designing by inserting a photo. As this is a cover page, let's set the photo so it will catch the attention. Here front and back cover both are displayed simultaneously. This way you can design both pages or set your page selection to the individual as per your choice. We will mark front cover as we are designing it first. There are several alignment tools to align objects faster with the complete accuracy. Here, using the desired page-based alignment preset, the photo can be aligned. Drag the photo to set it across the page. You can zoom the photo and make the important part visible. Instant page preview is available to get an idea of how the page will appear after printing. Shapes can create beautiful design or can be the base for photo or other object. A collection of simple and artistic shapes in Album Express is really amazing. You can add the shape on the page by simply double-clicking on it. Unlock the shape to drag and move freely on the page. Once the shape is placed, let's set the color style of the shape. You can choose the color using the color picker. It helps you to pick any color from the screen. Alternatively, you can use the color palette for wider color options. You have the texture option to fill the shape with the desired texture image. Outline of shape can also be managed. Just like the shape fill, transparency can also be applied to the outline. If you want to remove shape outline, just reduce the outline to 0. This way shape can be easily included in your design. Now to make this shape and bit transparent, you can reduce its opacity. Now let's add some photos. Here adding multiple photos is very simple. Just select the photos holding Command or Control key of your keyboard. Now select photos will have a green tick. Add all the selected photos. It is really a time saver when you wish to insert multiple photos. If you want to equalize the selected photos in a particular size, then select both the photos and use Equal Size option. Here you can equalize width, height and size of the selected photo. If you want to set the photo at the vertical center of the shape, then Object-Based Alignment tab can be used. Simply select Photo and Shape. Here from the wide variety of alignment options, choose Vertical Center. Now let's give an outline to the photos using Effect tab. Choose Outline Effect from variety of effects. Apply any preset and choose Outline Color and manage width. If you wish to increase the size of both the photos, just group them using Group option. Now you can easily scale both the photos at a time. Let's try adding title here. Simply type the words and choose the font type, size, color, and its effects. You can align it the way you want. Simple dragging can also increase the size of the text. The angle of the shadow can be managed using X and Y sliders. Also, shadows can be blurred and opacity can be applied. The color of shadow can be chosen. Similarly, an outline of desired color, width and opacity can be applied to the title. For longer text, Text tab can be used. Let's design the back cover. First of all, select the back cover. Let's discover the rich collection of backgrounds. They are classified according to their themes. Just enter into the desired theme and scroll through the available background options. Apply any one by double-clicking on it. You have the option to apply any solid color as a background through color picker or color palette. Even you can apply background on spread page by selecting spread. This way, you can make combinations and enjoy a variety of backgrounds in a single album. You have option to browse and select your own backgrounds in this way. Now let's add a photo. We will add colorize effect on the photo. Applying effect is as simple as clicking on desired preset. You can change the effect color, manage opacity and also color level. Pro version users have the facility to save this effect customization as a new preset. Now let's apply the mask over the photo. You get ready masks and that too of various themes. Just drop the mask over the photo and it's applied. You may flip or rotate the mask if required. If you find the masking effect unsuitable for this photo, then it can be removed easily. Let's design next page. A navigator is here to navigate between the pages. Let's select spread page and apply the background. Now let's add photos and place them on the page. While aligning photos on the page, you get to see some guidelines that help you to align photos with reference to the page. If any other object is available on the page, you can go for Object-Based Alignment tool to adjust your photos accordingly. These guidelines can be activated or deactivated from Action tab in the Preferences window. Let's equalize the size of the photos. We have seen how to equalize the sizes using Equal Size Photo tab. There is another way to do it. When you select any photo, you can see its current size. Select the photo of which you want to equalize the size. Now click on the shown size. A window will pop up. Now define desired width and height and get the photos resized. To align these photos at the same height, use top option in Object-Based Alignment tab. We can add creative borders on photos. Border tab has an amazing collection of borders. Double click on the border or frame and it's applied. Now to match border with background, you can use ready tone option. Just like mask, borders can also be rotated and flipped. A shadow can add it to the depth of the photo on background. Effects tab has shadow effect in it. Apply any preset and try customization options to get the desired output. You may apply mask or border on photos depending on the design you are creating.